Ukhosamaphiko olugula amaphiko kwaye kwaphephezela omiyane inyoni nobuciko nomnyunyiwe egcwele emsibini nemafini icula ingoma emnandi eyahlukanisa unyaka omusha omdala inyoni enezigidigidi zabalandeli abayilandelayo zamemeza esezidololozela sathi siyayazi le nyoni yayiculela okhokho bethu abanye abathule isibongo sokhozi FM sisibhakelwe isidadada sothu ukhozi FM luhamba phambili.
Ngikubingelele ngikwamukele kwesinye isiqephu esimnandi sokhozi FM TV. Gama lami uNeliswa Cele. Uyabona ke kumnyama yonke indawo Black to the Future Metro FM Music Awards 2024. Sikulethela yonke into esendimeni yomculo. Khona abaculi abanominatiwe soke sizuvalo labo. Imfashion ibuza la ekhaya ngizokuthatha ngikubeke. Uyazibonela nje ukuthi sinjani guys. Asambeni siyobabona. Njoba shilo ke sigma Metro angazi nanothi iqala ngaphi le outfit kodwa lo muntu uyamazi wayifika noswenka ushemeni emsakazweni wakho ukhozi akhulume ngezemfashion uyambona ukuthi sasikulethela abantu abalegit. Hello unjani?
Andwa unjani Dali?
Ngiyaphila ke ngaphila nje.
Ngiyaphila Dali.
Ngixoxele nge-outfit yakho nje.
Lalela ngithi i-theme itheni Black to the Future. Ngathi asizukudlala kancane nje Nkosi yami la ngama sleeves sifake i-drama ubunama glove ngafaka igolide kancane uyabona nje
To the few uzakhele wena ngithi
yonke into ngalezi zandla
isikhathi esingakanani mhlanje isi-outfit kanje
i-coat card ikhona nje ngiye ngathatha ngahlanganisa nje ngesandla uyabona nje ukuthi ibe red carpet ready.
Ama-Metro FM Awards kulonyaka ikuphi okujabulela ukubona okulindele?
Look, ama-Metro this year njengoba kuthiwa Black to the Future yithi esihamba phambili ngezemfashini ngezomculo ngeze-technology njengoba nawe uzobona nje uyasibona nje istage sinjani sikwi-level yaphesheya yes everything ela i-futuristic.
Yebo kakhulu bhuti wami ube nobusuku obuhle
kanjalo nakuwena umuhle
ngiyabonga. Alright, eduze kwami ngime nobhuti bami beLegacy bazoperforma bazonominate noma ke sebenominatiwe ake ngithi mhlambe bazowina sanibonani.
Sawubona kakhulu kunjani ma?
Ngiyaphila niyazizwa yini manje ukuthi nizowina namhlanje?
Ndikakhulu ake siqale sikuncoma umuhle Nkosazana.
Ngiyazibongela.
Umuhle kakhulu ma.
Ngiyazibongela nani ngiyabona ukuthi hayi.
Ukugcina lesi. Uyabona nawe. Yeah.
Ngiyabona.
Yeah.
I-outfit yokuwina lena noma eyani?
I-outfit yokuwina le si representa isikhathamiya representa iKZN we are the legacy siyabonga kakhulu Metro FM Awards ukuthi basinikeze ithuba lokuthi umculo wakithi wesintu siyakwazi ukuthi noma uqhamuka usadelelekile kwamanje kodwa usukwazi ukunominate kuma Grammy Awards ukwazi ukubuya nayo iGrammy so siyathemba ukuthi namhlanje le award esinominate yona iBest Duo or Group sizoyithatha sibuye nayo iKZN yo celebrate. But siyazi ukuthi akusiyo iKZN phela ethathanda umculo wethu South Africa yonke but mostly iKZN so siyabonga kakhulu Metro FM Awards siyabonga kakhulu ukhozi FM they've been supporting ukhozi FM have been supporting umculo wethu so siyabonga kakhulu Ntombi.
Siba kakhulu nginifisela inhlanhla engathi ngawina ne.
Siyathokoza.
Thoza mina thank you. Kuze kwami ngime nobhuti bami abathathu uTyrone uDumelo noSika. Bhuti bami sanibona?
Sanibona njani?
Ngiyaphila nizizwa kanjani namhlanje Metro FM Awards umculo big night for music nama musicians yourself.
Guys like my sisters we won't lie. Today yeah we feel amazing. Yeah besides being scared hey we're feeling amazing you know for this opportunity like siyabonga you know.
Are you nominated performing anjani ama nerves?
Nominated. I'm nervous. I don't know about them, but me, you.
We are.
Yeah.
Which category?
Best viral challenge, best collaboration, song of the year. Yeah.
Iphi challenge ebeniyenza?
AMNike.
Challenge you hot challenge.
It was big.
Niyazithemba?
Yeah, sasithemba.
Nginifisela inhlanhla ne all the best ngathi ngingayiwina.
So you win, Vek.
Thank you so much. Ngiyabonga. Ngobe yazo ulana angazi noma uze ngengoma le eyambreakisa inhliziyo noma kanjani right but
Lalela ngiright kakhulu. Namhlanje ngihappy ngendlela eyisimanga ngizobungaza ama-awards ama-Metro namhlanje cha ngijabule kakhulu.
uzoperform.
Cha angizile ukuzoperforma ngizobungaza nje amanye ama-artist you know cause into ehlezi ishiya ukuthi mawufuna ukuba yi-artist eliqavile wabungaza amanye ama-artist aqavile.
Yikuphi olindele ukukubona namhlanje khona umuntu ojabulile o excited ukuthi uzoperforma noma unominative?
Into engifisa ukuyibona I wanna see into enhle estage I wanna see into enhle ukukhula kweart eMzansi ukukhula ukubona nje yonke into ikhulile like ama performances especially into ekade ngangifisa ukuyibona ikhula I can see stage sihle iyona into engiyizelela umusic.
Ushuno uncibile ogqokile sengizonxibile ngimix isiZulu. Ushuno ugqokile awukujike bakubone ngifuna bakubone kahle.
Cozy!
DJ Sammy, the best thing ever isikhona lana ku Black Carpet. Futhi uyahosta this year. Ngixoxele yini osuyibonile interesting ama outfits, ngabantu, ama artists wabonile.
Yabona ngifuna uqala ngabantu the way they were able to translate ukuthi bona bona njani black is a future. It was actually amazing how some people saw themselves in part of being royalty, the future Bobonhle no pretty ugly. Even how Lemise came through today with some color. Had a lady by the name of Fulosha Simelane Orchard and she came through with pink. So it was just amazing to see people get diversity of range. Ukuthi bona bayibona kanjani black to the future. It's been amazing.
Last year wahosta athina ama expectations akho njoba waba ne experience yohosta last year khonto lindele ukuyibona excited uthi khona kulonyaka.
I think Lonyaga, what you saw last year, everything is going to be elevated. We were watching abantu ba rehearse about Proverb, Nabo Love, and some of the artists about perform namhlanje. I think we're going to deliver a sensational, amazing show. Production levels are definitely going to be all the way to the top. Ogunye, ilokhu ngama surprises. We still do not know who's performing namhlanje, but we know who's performing at the main show, at the festival stage. So I can't wait. Tonight's going to be amazing.
Duze kwami kume uBonhle ngalana and uPretty Ugly. I don't know where the ugly is coming from. Bonhle maninjena. You guys. Niyazibona kodwa.
Siyabonga, thank you. You are as gorgeous as you look. So.
Thank you so much. Ngixoxeleni first off ngama outfits. I love this. Black to the Future. U-interprete kanjani?
Listen, it was about black royalty, black excellence and what that looks like. So I called on to my good friend Upupo Kumete, and he was like, look, I think we need to channel the energy of Queen Nefertiti. So if Queen Nefertiti Egypt Times was here at Mbombela 2024, what does that look like? So he put three beautiful designers together, Anita Ferreira, House of Ai, jewelry by Designer Designs, and here we are.
This side?
Mina siswami, very simple. Ngisole, I'm a soldier today representing, protecting my queen. I'm wearing Casablanca, top to bottom. Very simple.
I love that. Ubusuku obukhulu namhlanje kwimboni of umculo, any expectations, excitement, ngokuzokwenzeka ngizokubona.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, I'm going to be on stage presenting Best Hip Hop, the category. So I'm very excited to see that. He should have been nominated, but that's a story for another day. I crossed the rest, but yeah, but I'm excited to see who's going to take it home throughout all the categories.
This side, yeah?
Mina, I'm excited to see the performances. Best newcomer, of course, best hip hop. My wife is representing. Song of the year, Nakona. But otherwise, I'm just looking forward to seeing South Africans in their element, looking beautiful, and us celebrating each other.
Eric, Black is the future, I see. How are you?
Black is the future and the present, ne? Yeah, no, I'm good, man. How you doing?
Ngiyaphila. Ama awards namhlanje omculo, very big night in the music industry. Khona o excited ukumbona olindele.
I think I'm waiting. You know what? Because I'm a hip hop fan, and hip hop has not been doing the most. Because I'm a piano and Gom is taking over and all of those things. So I'm waiting to see what hip hop has to give. Yeah, so I'm waiting for the hip hop act, and yeah, man, and enjoying the night.
I love that. Talk to me outfit yakho ihlanze kanjani?
My guys out at the Suit Lounge out in Joburg and Blackheath. So yeah, they hooked me up and that's why I'm looking so pretty today.
Dapper. Duze kwami kume ubhuti wami uCedric. I'm sure akasiyona istranger. Kuma screens akho unjani?
Ngiyaphila kunjani sis?
Ngikhona big night in music. Are you excited? Nervous? Khona thanda ukumbona namhlanje?
Yeah, well, look, I am excited. No, I'm not nervous. I'm excited. I'm happy. It's beautiful to be here. It's an amazing experience. Everybody's looking good. Everybody followed the theme. And believe it or not, I also did follow the theme. It's just that
Is this black?
I'm black. I'm just wearing a different shade of black. Burgundy is a color that is actually birthed by the color black. Just like being black, there's different shades of black. Light skin, dark skin. You know what I mean? That's what's beautiful about being black. But anyways, never mind that. So I am looking forward to seeing who's going to take the best Amapiano. And the reason is because it's currently the biggest genre we have.
Yeah.
Right? So it will be very interesting to see who's taking that one. Yeah.
Khona top 3 in your mind that you're saying it's likely going to go to 1, 2, or 3?
No, there's only top 1 for me, I think. And I think that's Kabza the Small.
Good for Kabza. Simfisela inhlanhla. Hopefully you're right and happy with igesi yakho. Have a good night. All right, again, very big time artist lana eduze kwami. Mama nominations kodwa manga namhlanje?
Mathathu ama nominations.
Awungipha ama categories.
The best male, the best music video of the year, and song of the year.
Iyiphi ecabanga ukuthi is your strongest contender? Ilena ngihamba nayo.
The best music video.
Best music video? Cishe ngahleba ngithi shoot obani but ngizothula. Talk to me nge-outfit yakho. Ngiyakuthanda.
Ngiyabonga, I'm dressed by Uxoli Designs. So bengifuna ukuba eyintweni. You know, I wanted to blend in, but at the same time feel different from the rest of the guys. As you can see from the top, I look like everyone else. Then from the bottom, I'm something else because we started from the bottom and now we're here.
Ooh, ngiyayithanda le. Duze kwami kume usisi wami uThembi this side and uTheo. Nabona lobo black khona oblingayo ngalana khona nama stripes. Sanibona. Oblingayo. Sanibona.
Kunjani sisi wami?
Ngiyaphila. Big night in music, nikumculo, nikhona kule industry. Nizizwa ninjani? Khona ama expectations, excitement, is it enfisa ukuyibona namhlanje?
We definitely are excited, and also it's a big deal to be part of such a significant event. 30 years of democracy, 30 years of being in the industry, 30 years of doing what we love doing. Really tonight it's really about celebrating and also to remind a lot of people of their young, their childhood, and celebrate it.
After 30 years in the industry, khona advice or a tip engayinika mhlamba ama nominees alana who are nervous, ama future artists who want to bring good music la South Africa?
Be as natural and as much as you can, you know what I mean? Because the industry is very short-lived. We are so honored, Tina, the fact that we're still here even today. Abalandeli basasithanda kakhulu. We're still working even today because we are so authentic and we are true to ourselves.
I love that. Ngasikhulumeni nge-fashion. Ngishilo ngathi khona nama-stripes, khona iblingayo, khona njani. Angiqalela ngakukhanya ngakhona. Talk to me ngale ngubo, your interpretation. Black is the future.
I am dressed by Otis, and you can see that the future, it's the shoulders, it's back to the future, because you have to imagine it. Otis has dressed me for my few events, and I trust him, and we have a great relationship. My makeup is done by Umamelo and my hairstylist as well. So I'm really feeling good. You can never go back or go wrong with black. So we're all looking amazing tonight.
Of course.
Exactly what I wanted to say.
This side, the outfit, inspiration.
Thembi will say she's laughing at me. I've been saying, Theo. No, I always dress myself. I prefer that because, like I've identified my style, and I keep it real, you know what I mean? And I always get it right. So says Thembi, and she always think that I look great and it makes me even want to even dress myself even more.
Eduze kwami kume omunye owabaphathi la ne-SABC. I'm sure you're excited ukubona ingane zakho zonke zila Khosi, Metro. Everyone is together. Man, 30 years of democracy as umuntu okhona kule brand. Ivision ibithini, uzizwa kanjani ubona ubusuku obukanje?
Bekubalekile kakhulu ukuthi we are here today. It's the 27th of April. It is Freedom Day. And basically what we're saying is that we are free. to be who we want to be, to create our own stories and to own them. And just to see SABC as a family being here, Ukhozi believing in the Metros, coming to support, it's really all about us authentically believing in our music.
Let's talk about this outfit. Sure.
I'm styled by Sir Klassen. I'm styled by Sir Klassen. And we really wanted to put together a look that would talk. I said for me, it's what do we imagine the future to be? It is bright, it's glowing, and we're very royal about it.
Duze kwami kumewusisi wami Mpumi Mlambo. Kanibukeni. Kanibuke angaqa, kanibuke nje. Bukani. Siswami, stunning. Ngixoxele nge-interpretation yakho ya Black to the Future. What was this? Konzakalani?
Banje ungakwazi ukuchaza. It's a lot of drama. So I figured ngithanda i-art yabo, but inkinga ukuthi umuntu ne-art endlini awukwazi ukuthi uyithathe uyise kwi-event. So ngangithi-ke okay ngicela ukuba yi-art because yabo uma ungena endlini yomuntu ane-art uyawalka yabo ubuke kanje, but I was like okay they'll never experience the art at home. So let me be the art. I love being moving art, and that's what it was. And the detail that we went with, it was to say all the resources that are amazing, that have made the world a better place, actually belong to Africans. So mababuyise kama resource wethu abawantshontshile ngicela babuyise ama-diamond, ama-golide, everything because belong kuthina. So Black to the Future, which means yonke into enemali, that is luxury, that is premium, eyabantu abamnyama nababayazi.
I love it. Right, we're on the black carpet and Nyazbonela, i-future black. Uthi injani? I-bright, ne? So bright ufaka ama-shades.
I have to.
Talk to me about the outfit yakho.
My outfit is basically just me following the theme, but also breaking the rules. As people know, ngithanda ukumosha. But yeah, this is my lady, Pulse. We collaborated to create this look. I just wanted to do something unique and, shake up people a little bit.
Ngiyayithanda leyo. Black is the future wangalana, ngiyayithanda lena.
Ngikutsheleke mina ngazi lutho kuthiwe ngizwa kuma award umfowethu ngoba uyena ke umuntu ongathi uthanda ifashion nento ezinjalo ngathi kuyena cha wena noPalidi uPulse hlanganani ngizongitshela ukuthi nenzani ngizofika sengiqoka.
Wabathemba?
Ngiyamthemba.
Uhappy?
Uyambona ngiyamthemba. Uyangazi impela hayi cha ungithole spot on.
Big night yomculo namhlanje. Musicians, ama-artists, ama-producer, wonke umuntu lana. Khona ningilindele ukukubona ni-excited mhlawumbe ama-expectations athile?
Ngi-excited mina kakhulu honor ezobe inikwa umuntu for what is it? Lifetime Achievement Award. Yona into engiyijabulela kakhulu Lifetime Achievement Award ngoba ngicabanga ukuthi ke umuntu engimaziyo ngisaqala nami ngisafufusa kwezomculo ukumbona esala esenza lento ayenzayo ezothola imbali zakhe into engiyijabulela kakhulu.
Ize ngapha butwana.
Mina kokuqala ngilana, I'm excited nje kuba lana, ngibona ama-light, ngibona abantu abahle, kumnandi nje. Yeah.
Ngiyabonga.
We're both Zulu, but you can't tell, ne? Zulu sami Zulu, Zulu sakhe. Sikhulele eThekwini njalo.
Eduze kwami kume umuntu esemfashini uPhupho Gumede K. Abanye abantu ade behamba lana bastyle wena yenza isibonelo ngicabanga ukuthi ubondle mangaphazami. I'm sure khona nabanye abantu bastyle namhlanje. Umqondo wakho ustyle abantu abahlukahlukene kule theme ubuhamba phi yini ama goals akho obufisa ukwa achieve?
So namhlanje ngigqokise ubondle Modisele. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi akekho umuntu la kulo carpet omdlulile. I mean, akusho mina kodwa ke kusho umphakathi sengizwe ngomphakathi and mekuza ku-event enjena where akuzoba nabantu abaningi kumele nje umuntu you have to go out of your way to make sure ukuthi akekho awudlulwa umuntu because there are so many stars, so many designers interpreting the theme in different ways. So I think it's very important to have a very fresh approach all the time if it comes to events like this.
Asike sikhulume ngeyakho ke outfit namhlanje, interpretation yakho ya Black to the Future, ubuhlanganisana ubucabangeni.
So i-outfit yami namhlanje enhle kakhulu ehamba phambili eyinqayizivele. Ngigqokiswe custom madonsela. I-inspiration yale outfit is Black to the Future talks about Black civilization, the Black past and the Black future meeting in the present, and yeah, you cannot have those conversations without talking about a technology that was invented by Black people. Hence, I mean, ginemdwebo lana that was carved by black people before colonization and Western civilization came. And with that, I'm saying the fact that namanje Musa Echeni eyalibhalwe 2000 BC years ago usangayifita leyo mdwebo sekuze kwafika amabhodlela ahamba kwafika amaphepha ahamba kwafika internet yahamba but i-technology abantu abamnyama abayiqalela yona isamile namanje and there's nothing that is more powerful than that when we're gearing into a future that is predominantly black and unapologetically black.
Ngiyayithanda leyo. Duze kwami kume umculo odume kakhulu uBig Zulu. Siyawazi siyawuthanda umculo wakhe. Ufisa ukuzwa ubusuku obukhulu kakhulu emculweni namhlanje. Njengomculi khona okulindele ukubona okufisayo kwabanye abaculi abakhona.
Ngicabanga ukuthi ukuzo enjoy umculo so ukuzo enjoy umsebenzi wawo ama-artist. So whoever artist elizowina kuzomela silithokozele. Yeah, yiloko nje okukhulu.
Xoxele nge-outfit yakho ufake isudu hey sokiwe nje Black to the Future.
Ayi namhlanje ngiswenke kakhulu impela umfana namhlanje ujika yogqoka iskin namaphaqa ngiswenke kakhulu impela namhlanje ngigqokiswe i-Deja Vu. Yeah.
Eduze kwami kume umculi izwi lakhe silithanda kakhulu uVusi Nova. But I'm right.
Ngumqabaqaba eqabule vele kuJanuary. Look at yourself, Mhle.
Ngiyabonga ngathi wena.
Thank you.
Ngixoxele nge-fashion yakho ihlanse kanjani outfit.
You know what? I think when they came up with the theme, Black to the Future, I feel like they thought of me. They thought of Vusi Nova. Everyone knows I love black. And by the way, everyone knows that David Tlale uthanda black. So Vusi Nova, no black, no David Tlale together.
Black to the Future. We are performing namhlanje. Khona abantu abangakulindela ukubona usiphatheleni.
So today, you know, number one, I'm so excited about Artist Amasha that the Metros namhlanje, the MMAs 24 are honoring. But over and above that, ngizobengise stage namhlanje honoring my late sister Ubulelwa Mkutsugane that we all know as Uzahara. I don't know if I'm going to be able to sing the whole 4 minutes on stage without breaking down. Mara, I'm here to honor her and let's see how it goes.
Siyabonga kakhulu bhuti wami. Duze kwami kume ubhuti wami umthunzi. Niyazibonela nje sekuthiwa Black to the Future. Uzizwa unjani big night yomculo?
Ngizizwa ngibalekile, ngizizwa ngisexy, ngizizwa angazi ngathi ngipresident yakuphi. Konakele.
Ulindeleni namhlanje khona ojabulela ukumbona mhlawumbe noma eni oyifiselayo ukuthi win.
Ngijabulela ukuthi ngifuna ukubona ukuthi kanjani ama-award akulokhu angakanani isize yawo and then yazi yakhala.
Ayikhali. Eduze kwami kume umculo esimthanda kakhulu uMakhadzi. Nimbukeni nje. Black is beautiful kanjani? Alright.
Ngiright unjani mama?
Ngiyaphila. Big night emculweni ulindeleni excited?
I'm so excited, you know, especially because of it's my second time attending it. My first time was last year and I won Best Female Artist of the Year. So I'm also rooting for myself this year to win it again because I feel like I deserve it. Every year I'm bringing it on, like people, they are enjoying my music, my performance, everything. So I'm here rooting for myself and all the nominees because of as long as we are nominated, meaning siwinile sonke.
Nervous noma you sure what I man?
You know what, with this thing actually it's something that you will never be sure because of it's all about the votes, but it doesn't mean that you are not good. As long as you're nominated, you are the best. They can't just pick you if you're not the best.
Nontokozo Mkhize, best newcomer, uyayibonela nje trophy siyiphethe ngesandla. Halala siswami siyakubongela uzizwa unjani?
Ngijabulile kakhulu.
Nginezwa liseko.
No, my voice is like this, like yeah.
Love it for you. Ngixoxele obani ababamba iqhaza ekwenzeni umsebenzi wakho usugcine usukutholisa i-award.
I think it's my team, Puti Mpilo Manyati, Nation Cross, Puti AD, and myself, and my fans.
Siyakubongela siswami halala, all the best, kuyaphambili.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu.
duze kwami kume ubongeziwe halala on award yakho
Ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Sizunjani?
Yeah, ngiyavuya kakhulu. Yeah, I wasn't expecting ukuthi ngizowina. So, excited kakhulu.
Siyazi ukuthi wena based internationally and kunalento eSouth Africa yokuthi asiwathanda ama-artists ethu aza support phesheya. Uzizwa kanjani namhlanje uhlonishwa la eNingizimu Afrika?
Yeah, angazi ukuthi ngisho njani ngamagama, but yeah, ukusupportwa ekhaya is so important. It does something to you. You feel ukuthi I could be loved in many countries, but if people are supporting me from home, it means so much more. So, ngifuna ukuthi ngiyabulela kakhulu to abantu base-South Africa ngosupporta ngokusupporta umculo wami ngokuthanda, and ngifuna ukuthi kakhulu abantu abangivoteleyo ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Sibonga thina best R&B artist sime la eduze kwami umthandazo Gatsha. Uzizwa njani halala siyakubongela.
Ngijabule kakhulu, angikwazi ngisho ukudescribe indlela engijabule ngayo. You know, ngisayisinkisa lento but angijabule kakhulu.
Ngixoxele ubukulindele yini mhlambe ngixoxela fushane ngealbum yakho lesikubekela.
Ngabe ngiyawaqamba manga. You know, makuziwa kwinto ezikanjena ngawena nanombani because wonke lo muntu la uyadeserve and usebenze kanzima yabo. So yes, bengazi ngufakile umsebenzi but bengabazi phela abaye basebenze kanjani, you know, so you can't say just because wena usebenze kakhulu ucabanga abanye abasebenzanga kakhulu. So it was just mixed emotions. Bekhona kancane ukwethemba kancane mhlawumbe ngisebenzile but ubuye uthi hayi mhlawumbe ukhona osebenze kangcono kunami.
Siyakubongela bhuti wami umsebenzi muhle.
Ngiyabonga nami.
Sibuye nayo.
Nakho. Uyayibona imnyama kanjani? Bengifuna ngishiye ngathi ngifuna uyibona sinjani.
Ubunama categories amaningi kabi awushele yipi le?
Lena kuthiwa i-best collaboration. Angisakhumbula ukuthi obani esiqhudelane nabo kodwa hayi bafethu sivele zakhala ke. Ngiyaxolisa kubona kodwa ke bazoyibamba iqine next time so sebenza. Mabe sebenze nami izokhala.
Lawa amanye ucabanga ukuthi sisazophinde sixoxe futhi.
Hey. Asiphinde sixoxe ngiyabuya angisho kanjalo.
Halala siyakubongela. Aye nansi engiwin. Izinja zegames uyiphethe.
Sasedubai.
Halala siyakubongela yiphi le category osiwinile?
This is best kwaito best gqom our category. Yeah.
Uzizwa kanjani esikhathini la sekudume kakhulu izinto ezifana namapiano, house nanani, irelevance ekwaito negqomo ukuthi isakhona isahlonishwa.
Music abantu fanele sibanikeze i-variety so khona bezo enjoy because khona abantu abanye aba-enjoy kakhulu igqom like abantu base-Durban, Cape Town, Eastern Cape they enjoy kakhulu igqom so we have to keep it alive. Ayikho electro music ufini.
Message yakho nje kuma supporters akho nabo bonke abantu ababambe iqhaza ukuze ufike lana.
Ngiyababonga bonke especially amajita engisipane nawo iBig Nas, uMr Taylor, uGasta obengenzela i-marketing and PR. Iteam yami yonke nje ngisebenzisana nayo nabantu nama-fans emakhaya ngibonga uNkulunkulu ngibonga bonke abantu abavotile I mean sibonile ingoma ebikhona na kwi-top 10 yokuhlanisa unyaka okhosini manje sibuye ne-award so kwangalona iphutha nalokho kwenzeka okhosini ngithi ngiyabonga kakhulu kona wonke umuntu osaphosa uKotini ngibonga bonke abalandeli baKotini bokuqina nje ngithi asikhipheni asiqhubekeni siphusheni uyeza umsebenzi omusha nango-2024.
Awu-ke silindele umsebenzi omusha susithembisile siyabonga kakhulu siyakubongela. Iwinner ye-best style uyazibonela-ke ukuthi bekushiwo ngani u-Oscar Mbo. Siyakubongela halala uzizwa njani?
Ngiyabonga kakhulu sisomba ngijabule kakhulu amazing angazi singawuva ngijabule kakhulu ngibonga support everybody supported me yeah.
Khona imessage onayo mhlambe kubantu ababambe iqhaza who took part ekufixeni kule level osukuyona manje?
Yeah, ngibonga kakhulu because akusiyo umsebenzi olula especially dealing with ufana njengami. We always traveling as some artists. Sometimes you go, sometimes asikho, sometimes yagula. Mood ayibi right the whole time but basibekezelela and basikhombisa inhlonipho nothando kuwo konke edlula kona so ngibonga kakhulu.
Sibonga kakhulu, thank you so much. Nansi enye award winner muso uyifihla phela i-award halala artist of the year Nganibukeni halala siyakubongela uzizwa njani
Yo ngijabule kakhulu yabona esingisi ke manje asaphumi ngempela ke manje.
Khuluma isiZulu.
Kunjalo. Ngijabule kakhulu, you know, namanje ngisabonga uNkulunkulu, ngibonga abakithi abalele, ngibonga abaphathi bami, and this is for Nkabi Nation. This is for Kola and the production team. Like, I'm grateful.
Siyakubongela siswami sikufisela inhlanhla ne.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu Sandra. Nabalaleli boKhosi FM ngithi shout out.
Ekumene best dancer lana uSky Wanda. Kuthe ngithi awuthi move A1 halala siyakubongela. Usizwe njani?
Ngiyajabula kakhulu nge-award esitholile best dance. Angikwazi ukudansa mina ngidansisa nina ebumnandini uyayizwa leyo. No, ngiyajabula kakhulu, ngiyabonga abantu abavotile. Ngiyabonga kakhulu nakuZex bantwini ukuthi angithembe ukuthi asebenze nami. Nje kumnandi sijabule.
Kumnandi ngiyabona usuyiphethe futhi ne-trophy indondo umsebenzi okuveza ukuthi girl is working. Seswami khona abantu obacabanga bafe emqondweni ababamba iqhaza ukuthi ube la ukhona namhlanje.
Oh yes, definitely. Ngibonga iStax Music uLerato and the team nje wonke umuntu obesebenza nawo uLerato that he was commissioning ukuthi kuqhutshwe umsebenzi uye phambili. Ngibonga umndeni wami, uma wami engazi ukuthi ngithanda okudlula ngazi ini. Ngibonge nezingane zami for ipatience yabo. Ngibonge nomphakathi waseChesterville ngokuthi ungeseke. Nje ngiyajabula nje ngakho konke. Umsebenzi uzoqhubeka, sizoqhubeka sikhiphe nomculo othinta inhliziyo zabantu kusazoba mnandi sisi.
Thank you. Omunye wama-artists akhona lana ama-rapper uZulu Maker. Siswami, how are you?
Ngiyaphila siswami kunjani?
Ngiyaphila. Kade ulana Metro FM Music Awards. Experience yakho binjani? Enjoyile labo bobathembile bawinile khambe kanjani?
Hey, ngienjoy kakhulu. I was really looking forward to our live performances and our disappointing at all. So shout out to Metro FM.
Yini ongayilindela next year?
Ayi sethe mangathi ngoba phela senza umculo ukuthi nathi so nominate one day. So let's but yeah vele ngiya release this year, so let's hope for the best.
Aye so besibhekile sizwe silalele ukuthi usiphatheleni. Siyabonga kakhulu.
Ngibonga kakhulu.
Thank you. Namhlanje usuku Metro FM Music Awards. Niyabona ngathi sekunyuye, nibonile Song of the Year, Artist of the Year, sakulethela wonke ama-winners akhona. Asambeni mhlawumbe amanye sobabona kwezinye indawo, sihlangane na kanjani ngokuzayo. Ubusuku nosuku uma uthi ubuyele emini alube luhle. Ngithanda kakhulu emakhaya. Igama lami nguNeliswa Ngwacele.